Right now, testimony is wrapping up on the first day of Emonte Morgan's trial. Morgan faces first-degree murder charges in the death of Chicago police officer Ella French. Our Wojciechowski spent the day in court and has a wrap-up of the first day. Charlie.
Well, Alex, right now on the stand is a woman named Amanda Kirksey. She was in the front seat of the vehicle when this whole traffic stop went down. She says Emonte Morgan was drinking Hennessy and a slushie in the back seat when he was taken out of the car, asked first by the officer. Then he became non-compliant. That is when there became a problem with the traffic stop. But most of the evidence today focused on the body cams worn by each one of the officers in that car, video evidence that forms the core of this case. Chicago Police Superintendent Larry Snelling walked into the courthouse with Officer Ella French's mother and family, among the dozens of officers and others who came to show their support.
I'm here to support the family and to make sure that there is justice for Ella.
In opening statements, prosecutors prepared the jury for what they were about to see. Graphic body cam footage from her camera and that of her two partners, showing the traffic stop in August of 2021 and hearing the gunshots that followed. Pointing at the defendant, Emonte Morgan, Assistant State's Attorney Scott Clark said in a second he took Ella French's life and changed Carlos Yanez forever. But Public Defender Christine Neal countered, saying that even though the cameras captured the fatal encounter in August of 2021, it was hard to make out what actually happened. The first person to testify, Ella French's mother, who told jurors that they talked on the morning of her murder and she urged her daughter to be safe. Injured Officer Carlos Yanez was also in the overcrowded courtroom where other officers and family members choked back tears. But it was Detective Joshua Blass, who was one of the three partners in the squad car that day, who navigated jurors through what they were seeing on the video. The stop started with everyone complying, then went south. Emonte Morgan argued with Officer Carlos Yanez about putting down his phone and the cup he was carrying. Then a struggle broke out. In the video, you can hear the gunshots and see Yanez and French fall to the ground. In one haunting scene from Yanez's camera, Morgan can be seen stepping over his body with a gun in his hand. Morgan's mother was in court and saw the video, but says she sees things differently.
I want everyone who sees this to know the truth. This is why, again, please release the body cams. That's going to be the truth for the police and for Monty.
Now, Ms. Flores did say she hopes her other son will testify. Eric Morgan, he was the driver of the car that day. He took a plea deal and is currently serving a 7-year sentence for his role in this murder. The testimony continues today, at least for a little while, and resumes again tomorrow here at 26th in California. Live, Charlie Wojciechowski, NBC 5 News.
Thank you so much for the update, Charlie.